Is this CASEKOO 360 Glossy 17 Pro Max case going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So first off, this is like their other 360 design, but as you can see, it does have that glossy color to it. And what I like about these is that you can color match them to your 17 Pro Max. So you can see right here, I got the orange on orange, and I honestly love how it looks. Some features you can expect for the case though is lens protection. You can see right here that there is going to be an overhang piece that does hang over that camera lens area. It doesn't fully cover it, but it does hang over. So if you do drop your phone camera lens side down, it's going to hit that popped out piece first and give it more protection. On the back, you have a MagSafe wireless charging ring that does pop out into a kickstand. And the reason why the case is called 360 is because the kickstand does rotate 360 degrees. You can see you can get pretty much any angle you want, rotate it around and get your desired angle, or you can get your normal vertical and horizontal viewing as well. As far as the screen side, you do get a little bit of an overhang, just like the lens protector piece here. It's made to overhang a little bit and protect the screen. And although you are going to get some screen protection with that, if you want full maximum protection, I would just recommend getting a screen protector alongside the case as well. And of course, on the side, you still have access to your camera action button. There is going to be a slot right there for that. Overall though, I definitely would recommend this case for the 17 Pro Max. I love the glossy design on it. Definitely would recommend color matching with your 17 Pro Max's color. I think it makes it look a lot better. All around, I think this would be a great daily case for your new 17 Pro Max.